Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello viewers, the title of this video is I Feel Sentences in English for Kids. Let's get started. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel excited. I feel excited. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I feel proud. I feel proud. I feel angry. I feel angry. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I feel grateful. I feel grateful. I feel scared. I feel scared. I feel brave. I feel brave. I feel curious. I feel curious. I feel bored. I feel bored. I feel shy. I feel shy. I feel lonely. I feel lonely. I feel lazy. I feel lazy. I feel confident. I feel confident. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.